This is the Nassau County Property Report. In the top left of the report, you will see the property photograph. The top right, the sketch. To enlarge either the photograph or the sketch, just click on the image. If the property has a list pendants on it, you'll see an alert at the top that indicates that the property has one active list pendants. Below the photograph and the sketch, we have the address, the legal identification, which is the section, block, and lot, as well as the owner and the owner address. For the address and the owner, we have telephone numbers available that are listed at the address, listed in the owner's name, and listed in the owner's address. Next, we have building information, which includes the classification of the property, the style, square footage, height, year built, garage, and so forth. For residential properties, we have interior information, which includes rooms and baths, basement information, attic information, and fireplace, flood zone, as well as additional information on the property, including township, school district, acres, lot size, census tract, and waterfront. Below these details, we have the tax history. The tax history goes from 2003 to present year, as well as tentative assessment values for future years. Below the tax history is the sales history. We have all sales going back from the mid-1980s to present day. You'll notice that sometimes you'll find sales that are highlighted in yellow. This indicates that the sale is part of a potential flip. A potential flip doesn't necessarily indicate that there was definitely foul play, but what we're doing is we're highlighting these sales that took place in a short period of time in yellow to bring them to your attention. Finally, below the sales history, we have any list pendants that might be on the property. In this case, there was one filed on October 31st of 07. We have the index number, the amount of the lien, the plaintiff and defendant, as well as the book and page number of the original mortgage, in the event it is a list pendant on a mortgage. Back to the top, there are additional options, including going back to the previous page, printing out this report, performing a CMA, which is how we find comps, viewing the property on the map, viewing the property on the Nassau County tax map. This links you directly to the Nassau County Assessor's webpage, where you will see the property on the paper tax map of the county. Census brings up demographics on the neighborhood. We can also do a new search, taking us back to the very beginning search screen, and we can sign out of GeoData.